The world is in peril, and Master Chief and the Spartans could use your help. There's only one bar that can save the world now. Are you ready for the mission at hand? Welcome to the Pneumatic Ink Channel. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz, and today I'm joined with
Yuching.
We also have our scent specialist Cuddles on board, and we're going to be taking a look at this soap from Dr.squatch. This is the Spartan Scrub Halo Soap. In these soap reviews, we do a few things. Do an up-close look at the label, product itself, dive into information, scent notes, lather, and give our opinion at the end. If you're ready, I'm ready. Yuching?
I'm ready.
Grab your soap bar, sit back. Let's enjoy the show. Let's get a closer look at this box. Now, this is the most uniquely designed box I've seen so far from this company. We have the earth right behind Dr. Chief, Master Squatch, and we have a batch number of 2560. On the other side, we have the UNSC badging and the bar of soap we'll be looking at now. There was a lot of extra buildup on this bar of soap. Either it was cut poorly or they're using some sort of machine. I'm not too sure. But the bar itself is looking pretty good with the orange and the green and little specks inside. These colors do pay tribute to the armor of Master Chief in the game. Now we're jumping to my favorite part of the video where I chop up the soap, which saves the soap and gets it ready for battle. I mean, lather station. Saving the world is no easy task, and you're going to want a soap that works just as hard fighting dirt and grime as the Squatch Man does, with this natural soap packed with palm, olive, and coconut, including some shea butter and other natural ingredients. They've also thrown some 7-bark, Little John root, and some bishop wort as well to get you ready for battle. Thanks for that supply drop, we've got the Rover all loaded with this limited edition soap. The scent profiles for this is a silver sage, yuzu, and cedarwood. I'll describe this as having a musky cedar background with a bitter, herbal, and earthy cedar note. This is a heroic scent, full of valor, suitable for Master Chief himself. Now we're switching gears and heading on to the lather station, and we're going to see how this soap performs. After wetting this bar, it quickly works up a lather, as you're going to see right here. Now Dr.squatch consistently delivers a very nice bubble and lather with their soaps. This is the thickest lather I can get from the Dr.squatch. As you can see, we've got a light bubble and creamy texture. Breaking out the Daiso Loofah once again. I'm not too sure why I even do this test, because as you're going to see here, it instantly works up a bubble with almost every soap I use. But I do like the test, and let me know if it's good or bad, or you just don't even care. Washing this soap off, it has a lingering fresh scent that leaves you ready for your mission and battles ahead. Welcome back from that up close look at the label, product itself. Now we have the Spartan Scrub right here, and this is the bar that we've actually cut a piece off and have been using for a minute. It has a really interesting scent. Something I didn't like at first when I got the bar. I was kind of disappointed, I felt.
Gross.
But once you've lathered and used it, it definitely has a unique scent that is good. It's growing on me. I think a lot of the Dr.squatch's scents have done that lately, where it's at first I'm kind of like, meh, lackluster, and then once you've activated in the shower, it just increases the scent, and it's something that you just grow to enjoy. So what are you getting from this scent?
Some medicine herb. I really like it. This is my favorite Dr.squatch. Dr.squatch. You said squat.
I always say Dr.squatch, and it's Dr.squatch.
Dr.squatch.
But it smells pretty good. It's an interesting scent. I describe it as herbal and earthy. I mean, it's even got some like darker, bitter tones to it, almost like a wood bark.
I don't know why I smell like wood beer. I smell wood beer. How to look at me like this? It's just more like my parents, sometimes they have like back pain problem. They would put some medicine on their body to smell like this.
Like an
but
herbal.
I really like it.
This scent is how I describe it, as a alternative medicine scent, because it has a lot of the earthy herbal tones, and it's a good bar. It's a unique scent. It's nothing that's gonna wow you, especially right out of the box.
Maybe like the story Halo. Those Halo people get hurt and injured, and then they went to the medical center. That's what. You feel like it from the wall.
take care of your injuries. Give you a plus 25 to your HP.
This is my favorite Dr.squatch soap so far, and just because it smells like medicine, I like it. And even like we have lots of choices. Because we've been testing out different soap, and we have lots of different pieces in our showers, and I just ended up picking like stuff I thought I didn't like the most, but you know, it's something like I'll always pick up in the shower to use.
We'll be giving away one of these bars of soap and maybe more in an upcoming video. So with that, you like, you share, you subscribe. I'm pretty sure you all know how YouTube works. See you in the next video. Peace. Do you have anything else to add to this video?
I love the soap. What about you, Kyle? Oh, I'm not gonna add the top. You're so late.
I'm just gonna
wrap this up right.
I'm just gonna wrap this up right.